You have to try the incredible product called Cal Clear, because every single person has inflammation within their body. The Cal Clear product has 3 amazing nutrients inside and easy-to-take capsule. The first powerful ingredient is Solomon seal is a herb that has anti-inflammatory properties. It contains allantoin, a component used in lotions and other skin products. It also acts as an antioxidant. People use Solomon seal supplements to ease heartburn, ulceration, and indigestion. Due to inflammation, the herb can also heal inflammation of joint capsules, like the ones surrounding your knees. Solomon seal is also used to treat lung disorders and reduce swelling. The second extraordinary ingredient is a hidden gem called coral calcium, is a supplement usually derived from coral sand. These sand deposits, which were once part of a coral reef, are broken down naturally, are typically collected directly from coastal land or shallow water surrounding it. Coral calcium supplements are comprised largely of calcium and magnesium and also have near 70 microtrace minerals bound with it. It is in an ionic form, making it easy for the human body to absorb. Broccoli extract contains 2 vital nutrients for cognition and memory: vitamin K and choline. Vitamin K is in very few foods, but it's key to maintaining healthy brain function and may even prevent diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. Coral calcium supplements contain the same type of calcium found in Solomon seal for extra health benefits, developed by the internationally renowned health practitioner Matthew Brownell, who has tested the product daily on many of his patients, gaining incredible feedback on the product as to how it has helped many types of the body's health issues.
So, go through again now what went on with your, was it your leg getting into bed or something?
Yeah,
the pain?
the outer side used to ache when I was laid down on my left-hand side.
Yeah.
So I used to put my sort of right leg over for about 5 minutes to ease it off. But since having the tablets, nothing at all.
Brilliant. How long was it? A few?
About 3 days.
Brilliant.
Plus with my back as well. You know, getting up out of the chair a bit like slightly stiff.
Yeah.
You just straighten up, but now just even sort of getting out of bed, just stand straight up.
Fantastic.
Walk without having any aches or anything.
Brilliant. And Eric, your wife took the tablets because she had what going on with her?
Bad shoulder.
And how bad was it?
It was like they told her she needed an operation.
Right.
You know, obviously now she took these tablets and she's no pain. So she's cancelled the operation.
Wow. How long was she on the tablets for?
About just over a week.
Wow, is that all?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, so that's worked well, yeah.
Brilliant. Cheers to that, guys.
Yeah, so I've got a brownie point now.
Yeah, happy for Cal Clear.
Yeah, yeah.
Discover the magic of Cal Clear, your health's rescuer. Cal Clear, with over 69 minerals, ensures the alkalinity of your cells, crucial for effective recovery, repair, and maintaining a balanced weight. It provides essential calcium to maintain bone integrity and joint health. Say goodbye to inflammation and negative food cravings. Unleash your optimal health with Cal Clear. Achieve balance and alignment on our online store at egglixir.com.
The product Cal Clear has all 3 ingredients in one convenient capsule to give the synergistic effect of Solomon seal with coral calcium and broccoli extract. It is believed that the combination of these 3 supplements combined may help reduce inflammation as well as alkalizing and mineralizing your body.